Using AI is actually making you a worse coder. A study from GitClear analyzed over 150 million lines of code and found code created with Copilot and AI Assistant required more updates and tweaks than human-written code, doubling code churn rates. This means developers have to keep fixing mistakes. It also copies and pastes more code instead of reusing existing code properly. My question is AI really ready to write production-level software? The results imply not yet. Copilot messes things up more down the road even if it helps pump out code faster now. While studies show Copilot boosts productivity short-term, it ruins quality and maintainability long-term. The takeaway? AI still requires human supervision. It's too soon to let these models fully take the wheel. The tech is promising but has kinks to iron out before being reliable, so monitor AI written code extra closely for potentially messy flaws. Google's gone and developed an AI called Lumiere that can actually create realistic videos from just text descriptions. This thing can generate smooth, high-res clips of raccoons reading or dresses changing color. The crazy bit is, it does all the animation in one go, no sweat. Lumiere uses some fancy neural network architecture to take words and bring them to life. None of that painstaking manual animation stuff is needed anymore. I mean, think about what you could do with this. Movie studios could save a truckload on effects, and advertisers get customized video ads easy peasy. Of course, Google hasn't said if they'll actually unleash this thing on the public, and obvious worries about misuse are there. Lumiere seems like a giant leap towards AI, straight up hallucinating video. Kinda makes you wonder where is the line between real and simulation when the tech gets this good. Unity has officially launched 1.0 support for Vision OS, the operating system of the Apple Vision Pro. This will allow devs to create three main types of XR experiences: mixed reality apps, fully immersive virtual reality apps, and 2D windowed content that can be resizable and repositionable by the user. The toolkit also includes a Play 2 device, which allows live previewing of the content on the Vision OS simulator or Apple Vision Pro within the Unity editor, and will provide a high-level component-based interaction system for creating VR and AR experiences. Unity did extensive beta testing with thousands of developers worldwide, including Lightbrick Studio, which ported Lego Builder's Journey to Vision Pro, and Trip, the studio behind the meditation app. And something that's also really cool is Unity's polyspatial technology, which allows apps to display 3D elements. To start building spatial apps for Apple Vision Pro with Unity, you just need to download the latest Unity version, ensure Vision OS build target installation, and follow the setup process provided in the Vision OS template. Unity's support for Vision OS is now available to all Unity Pro, Enterprise, and Industry subscribers. Could Zed be the next VS Code killer? Zed's been going crazy recently because of its performance and multiplayer code editor. It's created by the same team behind Atom and Treesitter, so Zed was made to be efficient, responsive, and collaborative. Zed also offers a built-in terminal and supports Vim-style modal editing, but VS Code is still the king for its language support, flexibility, and its pretty robust architecture. It's a bit slower than its competitors though. So Zed aims to combine the lightweight feel of Sublime with the power of a full IDE, and while it's still new, Zed's focus on performance and collaboration could make it a strong contender against VS Code. In the first weeks of 2024, nearly 25,000 tech workers lost their jobs. So what's behind this massive wave of layoffs? Well, at least during the pandemic, tech companies like Meta, Amazon, and Google went on a hiring spree to meet the surge in digital services demand. However, as COVID died down, these companies started to restructure their workforce to pre-pandemic levels. But it gets deeper than this. Despite the economy becoming more stable, tech companies are still under pressure to better their stock performance and satisfy their investors, which led to job cuts. Not necessarily because of financial distress, but as a strategic move to boost profits and shareholder value. And this has caused a herding effect, where the decision by one company to reduce its workforce causes others to do the same, so they won't seem less competitive or financially prudent. Even the smaller startups are feeling the pinch. They have the challenge of securing funding during a more cautious investment climate, which has caused a lot of them to cut costs, including reducing their headcount. So the current wave of layoffs is just a mix of strategic realignment, investor appeasement, and response to the broader economic environment.